welcome and thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here and we are excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. Let's start with a couple of questions. Please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company.
Yeah, hi, this is Mohit Kumar Sangwa. I'm heading sales at BHARAT SKYTECH Private Limited. We are into drone components. We are empowering all the manufacturers. We are providing indigenized drone components to every manufacturer in India.
Okay, that's nice, sir. Which products are you showcasing today at Drone Expo 2026?
Today here we have got our own batteries. Evercell is our brand name in batteries. And we have a charger over here if you can see it. And we are coming up with a GCS as well. These are the products we are showcasing here.
Okay, that's nice, sir. In your views, which is your greatest strength that is so unique from others?
We have got the molds from EFT itself, and we are doing it in India. So quality wise is a far better than other products available in the market. And the batteries we are making gives you around 500 cycles. Generally you will see the market people are using tattoo hairpin batteries. They give generally you 300 cycles only.
That's nice, sir. What message would you leave? What message would you like to give for your potential customers, visitors, and the individuals who are exploring your booth?
If anybody wants anything around the agriculture drones in India, we got them covered. We are dealing in all kind of agriculture drone components. We are also the authorized distributor for all the major brands, so they can get whatever they want. We have an online store. They can simply visit our website and place an order over there.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope you have a great experience at Drone Expo 2026. We are bringing it again in the month of September at New Delhi. Would you like to participate
Yeah,
again?
definitely, we'll be there.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Have a nice day.